Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's silver. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports line exterior and interior. 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. Rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Come alongside, this one comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting. Hopping in, we've got a heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging for your phone and keys, USB port, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 26,660 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.